Hi everyone, welcome to Introduction to Economics. My name is Nick Bergen and I'm going to be your instructor in the course. I'm looking forward to teaching economics and working with everyone in the course. I've been teaching economics for the past 15 years. I have a bachelor's and a master's degree in economics, and I really have a passion for teaching and getting students to understand various course concepts within economics. I have both of my degrees are in economics. My bachelor's degree is from St. Louis University. My master's degree is from Florida State University. And I used to work at the Federal Reserve Bank in St. Louis. And that was instrumental because when I worked at the Federal Reserve Bank, I did a lot of things to dealing with monetary policy. And I worked with how the Fed sets up different things. And I looked at the Fed and their ability to make different decisions on monetary policy, and I gathered a lot of data. And it was a very fun experience, and I hope to bring some of those things into the course. Now, I want to show you how the course is set up, and this is your home page. Your home page will give you the contact information, my information about the course. We like to use the Canvas email. I have the link to the syllabus, the course materials, the assignments, and the Welcome Here page. If you click on the modules page, the modules page will take you to all the course navigation and sites in the course. I think you'll find this a very helpful site to look at, and it will be very interesting as well because I think it'll help you be able to understand what we're looking at. There's a lot of important things in the Start Here menu that I want you to go through each of those areas, and that'll be very important to look at. You also notice that the course will be broken down into 5 sections. So you're going to have Introduction to Economics, you're going to have Supply and Demand and Elasticity, which is a foundational part of economics. Then we're going to look at microeconomics, and then we're going to look at macroeconomics. So we have a lot of different areas of economics that we're going to focus on, and I think you enjoy how the course is set up. If you have any additional questions, let me know, but I look forward to working with everyone.